I'm recording this small video to address a small problem that most people face when using their mobile phones or their computers. And that problem arises with the mismanagement or the improper use of your computer's memory. What happens is most of us comes over a course of time realize that our phone is becoming slower and it is not responding and sometimes goes is stalled by what is the general term that is used, the phone hangs and it does not respond at all. Now why does that happen? It happens because your phone has got a particular memory. The memory space is very small, or it is not very small but it is limited. All right, if you overload the memory of your phone or your computer with lot of softwares at the same time, what happens is your phone or your computer will start becoming slower and slower and slower. Now, to explain this, I will just take you to the kitchen of your house's kitchen. Just give me a moment. And imagine that the memory of your phone is like the gas stove in your mother's kitchen. It can be a 2 burner gas stove, it can be a 3 burner gas stove, it can be a 4 burner gas stove. Now, the bigger the number of gas stove, the bigger is the number of tasks that you can perform on the computer at the same time. But if you were to overload your gas stove, if you have got a 3 burner gas stove and you have got 4 tasks running at the same time, then what happens is your computer will start becoming slow. Okay, you have a 3 burner gas stove, your gas stove is going to be constantly used and you need to be switching between dishes one after the other. Cook one dishes, then cook the other one, get cook the third one, and half cook one dish, half cook another dish. Therefore what is going to happen is that your cooking will become very very slow. Therefore you must ensure that the number of items that you cook on the burner at one point in time is equal to the number of burners that are there on your gas stove. Similarly, even on your computer, there are your computer has got a limited memory. Now, the number of applications that you can use in your computer at the same time should be limited so that your memory of your computer is free. I'll just show you something on my device. I'm going to go straight to the memory of section of my computer. Now, if you see this, I am going to the memory section in the settings of my phone. Now you see my this device is right now checking the memory, and you see it is saying that memory is 1.4 GB is available, and you can always there are these particular apps that you can see the computer is showing. These particular apps are right now running on your memory. Okay, now you can easily remove them. Also, there is another option with the help of which you can remove. At the bottom of the phone you will find this particular button, the 3 dots or a 3 line button, where you can easily see which are the applications that are currently running. Now if I just click this, and you see these are all the apps that are currently running on my phone, which not running exactly, but they are on the memory of my phone right now. Now you must from time to time clean up this memory by removing the apps that you are not using one by one. Or you can also use, you see there is a close all button. This is a Samsung phone that I'm using. In other phones you will find other options with which you can, with a click of one button, you can remove all the applications at the same time. Is that clear? With the help of this you can just free up memory of your phone. Also, from time to time you must free up those media devices, media files that you don't need. For example, if you have taken screenshots which you don't need, you can just delete them instantly and clean the memory. Also, you should remove the videos that you may have taken videos that you may have taken which you don't need anymore from time to time, you must remove them and clean up the memory so that your computer is not using too much amount of memory and therefore it is fast. Same thing applies with the help with on your computer also, whether you're using a desktop or a laptop. You must ensure that all the applications are being used, and once they are done using, you should remove them from the memory of your device. So with that small message, I hope I've been able to solve a small technical problem. And if you have any questions, you may WhatsApp me your issue, or if you want to give me another idea which you may have got, which you think that Alok sir may not know, you are free to send me that idea over WhatsApp. Okay, with that small message, this is Alok sir saying bye bye.